Hi, welcome to A Foreigner in the Philippines. Our spoiled cat, Golden. I think Terence put the... Yeah, because this cat easily sleep if there's a pillow, oh no, I mean a towel covering her. See? Oh, Golden, you're waking up now. Hi. That's our another cat, Pussycat. And it's in our CR. Oh, Pussycat, come on, go out there. What are you going to poop soon? Come on. That's very unique. The cat in the bowl, in the pedestal. Ah, maybe she's looking if Terence flushed the toilet. Yeah, that's our cat. We got 3 cats. That's the Pussycat, the mother, and then there's the other one there. Look, that's Golden. Oh. And the Coco is at Nanay's house. See?
Now you're spoiled.
Yeah,
Are
see?
Are you spoiled? You look at you. Wow. You're all spoiled.
See?
Yeah. Look.
That's our spoiled cat. Golden, say hi to the camera. Say hi, Golden. Oh, say hi to the camera, Golden.
Do you know, I've never known a cat that will allow you
she's-
to tickle its belly like this.
Golden is 3 days pregnant.
I think a few more days than 3 days. Look at this belly. Gosh. Look at this belly.
I just nail cutter her. Yeah, so good. So that's our little adventure of our spoiled cat. Please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And are you still there, Pussycat? Come on, go out now. Shh. Have a good day. God bless.